If you're looking for a home that has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, over 4,000 square feet, and the price is right, would you buy it? Would you see it? Well, welcome to 3024 Haberdine Drive here in the Colony. Behind me is the home that we are marketing for you here at the Colony, Texas. Check this out. As you enter, you are greeted by soaring ceilings and an open, inviting layout. This formal dining area is ideal for hosting, and the spacious living room connects to it. The kitchen is the showstopper, featuring granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and a massive center island, and the top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. It's perfect for entertaining, cooking, or gathering with families. There's even a breakfast nook with backyard view to start your day right. Downstairs, you'll find the serene primary suite, a private retreat with a generous space, a large window, and a spa-inspired ensuite bath. Relax in your soaking tub, enjoy the dual vanities, and unwind in a total comfort. Upstairs, with a total 6 bedroom, and there's room for everyone, whether it's a guest suite, an open office, or space for multi-generational living. And better yet, every bedroom has its own private bathroom, offering a convenience, comfort, and a privacy for every member of the household. And check this out. One of the rooms is also perfect for the home gym setup. Whether it's your treadmill, a yoga mat, or weights, you'll have a quiet, designated space to stay healthy without ever leaving your home. The backyard. Step outside and enjoy your backyard, perfect for the weekend barbecues or peaceful evenings. If you'd like to schedule for a private tour, please feel free to reach out to me. Call or text me at 214-695-1645. So much for watching, and